Hi guys! Bonjour à tous! This is Romy. Welcome to this new video, who's gonna be the first of the Sailor-chic trilogy, including a tote bag tutorial, a matching pouch tutorial, as well as a cute lavender bag tutorial. You know, because I had some fabric left and I'd hate to waste it. Today, we'll start with this very easy tote bag tutorial that will make you dream of fancy parties by the sea, of vin rosé and beautiful sunsets. Let's get started! C'est parti! The fabric I'm using is actually an old pillowcase, but nobody needs to know that. It was dying of boredom on my sofa and I decided to give the poor thing a second life. And also, I love me some stripes. So to begin with, I'm going to remove the zipper. I keep the fabric on fold, it's going to be easier this way. And we are going to measure the size of the bag. When this is done, I am getting it out. Remember, it is on fold, so it's double layer. So we will end up with a big rectangle like this, which we're gonna fold right sides together. Alright, now what we need to do is to pin both sides, making sure that the stripes match, which is quite difficult to do. So take your time and pin a bit more than usual. We're going to sew a straight stitch on both sides, as well as a zigzag stitch to finish the edges off. Today I'm not going to use my serger because I want you to see that with a normal sewing machine this project is easily done. It is time now to cut out the handles, so we're going to cut long stripes of fabric. This I will keep for my next project. I'm cutting this block collar stripe as well as a striped stripe. We fold it right sides together, lengthwise. Let's sew now at 5 mm from the edge a straight stitch. I'm removing the pins as I go. And now the boring stuff. We have to turn the handles outside in. I'm using a chopstick like so. It's quite long to do. Is done, we're going to iron that. Yes, much better like that. The handles are done. We need to attach them to the bag, so I am turning the fabric at 5 mm and then folding it again at 3 cm. I'm going to do that all around the bag. and I am going to iron that in place. You know now that I really like to iron. I think it makes a huge difference to the finish of your garments, and also it's easier to sew like this. Let's insert the handles now. I decided to put the handles at 9 centimeters from the edge. Doing the same on the other side, and we are going to sew it. Usually what I would do is to sew a square and then a cross inside, but I don't want the thread to show, so I am going to sew straight lines on top of the black stripes. It's going to be invisible this way. There, can't see anything. Okay, let's turn the bag. We are almost there. We just need to iron it, and it will be done. It's done, c'est terminé. I'm putting books inside to try it out. Ooh, yes, I like it. I hope you like it too. I hope you will share this tutorial, like it, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Bye bye, à bientôt.